Hey cats and kittens, welcome back to Time Machine Scale Models. Well, I wanted to make an announcement on my next build, and we're going to move right along. Now that we're done with the scale builds of gentlemen, I'm going to take a break from some group builds, and I'm going to build something that I've been longing to build for a really long time. We're going to go ahead and we're going to build the Johan 66 Marlin kit. As most of you know, this is one of my grails. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start building on this probably after this weekend. This weekend I've got a pretty full plate. My daughter's birthday weekend. We're going to do a little bit of museum sightseeing tomorrow. We're going to go to the R.E. Olds Museum. We'll probably have a video early next week on that trip. And we're going to celebrate her birthday in style. So I probably won't be doing much building this weekend, but look forward to some update videos on the 66 Marlin next week. So let me tell you about what I'm going to do. Let's move the 37 Chevy over here. We'll leave Skellion's spot right there. So we decided on our colors, and we are going to go with MCW enamels. And the base color is going to be a seafoam turquoise metallic, number 6955E. And that is going to be the body color. We're going to two-tone this baby. And the other color is going to be Tahoe turquoise metallic. So the main body color is going to be the seafoam, and the Tahoe turquoise is going to be the accent color. Let me show you what else is going on here. I plan on building this pretty much box stock. It may end up factory stock because it may have plug wires and stuff in it, but pretty much I'm going to try to keep it as simple as possible. And what I'm going to use is, let me dig them on out of here, and I will show you why I'm going to do it. These are the kit tires, okay? They're nondescript. They're nothing fancy, okay? The hole in them needs to be widened for the wheel. I found these Firestone Supremes in my parts box, and they look a whole lot better, and the wheel fits in better. Okay. So we're going to go with the Firestone Supremes instead of the box stock wheels. And a couple of these, the white walls are kind of funky on them, so we're just going to throw them back in there, and the Firestone Supremes are what's going to be going on this baby. So that is the only change that we're going to make, is the tires on it. Otherwise, it's pretty much going to be box stock or factory stock if I decide to do plug wires and stuff on it. So I did most of the body work previously, most of the seams and mold lines. There's still a little bit of cleanup to do in some of the wheel arches, but other than that, she's pretty clean and almost ready to be primed. So, yep, so stay tuned on updates on the 66 Marlin build. Alright guys, that's all I got. Hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. Be safe out there. Happy modeling.